Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update. We're right into the beginning of August, so happy summer, the end of summer it looks like. I hope you enjoy some time away with your family while you enjoy this great weather that we're having in the Bay Area. It's certainly been a very mild summer that we've had this year. I understand one of the mildest on records since 1975, so that's cool. Let's talk briefly. I want to share with you the economy. We had a little bit of a dip in the stock market last week, but boy, did it come roaring back today. The NASDAQ and the Dow Jones really pushed upward just really quickly, and that is going to continue to bring more buyers to the table, able, willing, and being stock-worthy to be able to purchase properties. So let me share with you, I had 1290 Milkweed Street open in Milpitas this past weekend, Saturday and Sunday. It's priced, it's a townhome. Oh my gosh, it's a beautiful townhome. Over 1,800 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Never been unoccupied for 5 of the 7 years, so it looks virtually new. Has a 2-car garage. Price point is $1,350,000. We had a few visitors on Saturday, and then Sunday was very good. We had quite a bit of foot traffic. So I posted today an offer deadline of tomorrow, which is Tuesday at 4 p.m. So hopefully I can share some good news with you next video, and we get that property sold for the seller. So we're looking for good results. So mark your calendar coming up. We're already getting ready to prep 522 South 22nd Street in San Jose. It's a townhome in the downtown San Jose area, 1,900 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's just a gorgeous end unit that was a former model home, very upgraded on that property, and it's an amazing price, $1,098,888. And checking the market there was a property that sold a few months ago very near that price and doesn't even look as nice as our unit, so we should do quite well. Mark your calendar. It's going to be the last weekend of this month in August will be the open house for that one, and then following week, the first weekend in September, I have scheduled 623 Prada Drive in Milpitas for an open house. That is in the Ridgeview track area, very near where I'm closing that home this week on Serpa Drive. This one on Prada is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. When we get the keys next week, I'm going to redo the countertops. It's got old tile countertops in the kitchen, and the laundry area needs new counters, and also the bathrooms need new counter upgrades. I'm going to leave the cabinets in. We're going to paint them, so that should look good. There'll be some fresh painting inside. We're going to recarpet 2 of the bedrooms upstairs that haven't been refreshed, and then I'm fixing the dry rot on the outside of the eaves and the wood on that property, and then my painter will just freshen up the trim of the paint. So we're looking to do kind of a low-level freshening up to save the seller some money, but it should yield very good results in the price. And that one will be listed at $1,998,888. Should be good. Serpa is going to close this week at $1,960,000, and it's a little bit smaller than this Prada property, so we should be good. Let's talk a little bit about coming soon. I got 390 Monmouth Drive in Milpitas coming up, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, about 1,775 square feet, 1.7 on that home. And then 479 Heath Street in Milpitas, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's in the Manor area. Price to be determined. Hopefully I'll meet with the seller soon on that one, and we can share with you that coming price. So looking for more inventory. It's a great seasonal market. I had a potential seller call me last week and ask when is the best time to sell a property, and I don't think you can time the season per se. Whatever looks good for your family and your family's timing, it's really predicated on the general economy, and we've had a great stock market ride in the last 3 months. It's gone back up, and I know that that's really helped bring more buyers to the table. So please don't be shy. If you're ready to go, you're thinking about moving, call me, get me in to see the property. We'll talk about what you need to do to get it prepped and get it ready to go and be ready for this great, amazing market. So let's talk about interest rates as we close today's video. The 30-year fixed conforming today is at 6.95%. The 15-year fixed conforming is 5.875. The 30-year fixed jumbo is at 6.375, and the 15-year fixed jumbo is at 6.125. As you know, if you heard in the news, the Federal Reserve Board met last Wednesday and they did not raise or lower the interest rates. They left them steady. And so they're looking and poised for maybe a potential rate drop in September. But many buyers are looking to get in. They're getting good deals on properties. They're negotiating. And then in the next year or two, they can always refinance the property if the rates go down. So give me a call if you want to get your home ready. I'd love to talk to you. Bring my team in. We'll make your home look stellar. My number's 408-945-8988 or an email, giordanodj@aol.com. Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week again. Bye-bye.